This RE/MAX Crown Realty property video is presented by Becky Boncek. New AC in wonderful home on a spacious corner lot. Bright front circle kitchen with morning room nook. Interior laundry room. Master suite runs the full width of the home with doors leading to garden tub and separate shower. Raised glass enclosed porch faces east to capture the river breeze. Double driveway is a plus. For more information, review the details below or contact Becky Boncek at 772-589-3054.